who are the real criminals? Who are the real thief in this earth, yeah? Our man can send the army go rain down bomb on the next country and thief out all of them island, dig out all of them gold and then uranium and then diamond and then rubber. Committed a lot of atrocity against all different type of people across the world. And all no see them as criminal yet. But if a little get to you down the road, so because you're hungry and go pick one pocket and broke one little shop, you don't want to crucify him. And the band them will sit down up in the place that we call them parliament, where they call them governments and politicians and all these thieves. Oh, no for you not see them as criminal and thief and liar. But a people like I with all my locks now, who not depict as criminal. Eh? I want to see the real criminal. So, some of the slickest criminal them on earth are some man in a some choky necktie, some clean shave, handsome looking man in a some jacket suit, well, neat, with them attache case. So, are some of the biggest criminal them there on earth. And some woman too, we dress up in some nice dress and some type of suit. You call some of them government officials. All the church are criminal too. All the church are thief people to the rob and are thief people. Because them say them collect money in Jesus' name. Or if you collect money in Jesus' name, a church out collection pan, boy, you collect money in Jesus' name. And when you're done with it, you take the money and you go buy a big house and big car and show off on the same church people them. We give you the money. So how you collect the money in Jesus' name? Jesus spend money. Jesus have a bank account. So who are the real criminal in this world? Yes, on the design on the system. I want to design it against the poorer class of people them, the struggling people them, to oppress them and depict them as criminals. We don't make no courthouse. I want to go so enough build no police force. I want no military forces. I want security forces, courthouse, I want prison and all of them things that become prison poor people, pit and prison poor people and call them criminal. Every time you go into the courthouse, it's full of poor people. Poor people pack up in there. Yes, because the policeman will come down the road and say, I like to get a youth, I idle up on the road and then kick him up, beat him up. Boy, we had up on the road, all criminal thieving. Boy, I simple them search. If you have no gun, you don't see it, kick him up, call your yard, boy. But when you see the rich man pit now, they say, what you doing on the street? Go home to your mama, go home to your parents. Sometimes when you put them all in the jeep to and drive them, carry them go home. See, I never know that they have all one strap in them bag there too. A school and all come from an high girl. Let me tell you something, man. I tell you already, I tell you again to Donkey say the world in a level, you know, Rasta and a show. And let me tell you something, you know. None of them can hide from the truth, you know. Because the truth are going to burst out like water pound, boy, you know. And the truth are going to choke no for you, know. Remember that, you know. You think you can hide from the truth. And the truth are going to choke no for you. Choke, you know. Me, Shocking Morris said that.